Airbnb hostess ever. She made us breakfast. You look beautiful.
No. No more sheltering now. Ready to avow. Sometimes she'd shop and she would show me what she bought. All the people stared, and if we were both quite insane, someday my name and hers are going to be the same. You should just look away.
Who is cooler? I think she's cooler than you. I realized I didn't even say we're in New Mexico. Me and Vanessa, this is Vanessa, did a road trip up here, and we're gonna be here for the next 6 days in the desert.
It's fucking hot.
Yeah, it's freaking hot. Yes, hold on.
Excellent.
Which ones are these?
These are calcites, and they feel really good to hold, but also they are sexual.
Why is that funny? Alright, what are these?
So this is pyrite, also known as fool's gold, and it's supposed to bring you abundance and luck.
What is this?
Ooh, this is amethyst. This is my mother's birthstone, which is Aquarius, and it's supposed to help repel negative energy and help with self-control.
She knows everything I give up.
I don't. You just have to pick the 3 rocks that I know. Okay. Yeah.
Thanks. What's up, dude? Do they talk? Hello. One of them's talking. Hello. 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 Oh, hey, Vanessa. Hello, bird. He's trying to talk to me. My makeup, I'm explaining. We've come to White Sands to film a video. This place is amazing. Look at this. It's literally just on and on and on and on. This is the best lighting ever. The one day we needed it to not be sunny in the desert so we could film a video, and it's overcast. Look at this necklace. Look at my face. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Yeah, haha, made you laugh. Smile or whatever, and then run. Can I be on this side? Yes. This is my good side. Perfect. No, you gotta make me laugh. Are you up for the challenge? Ready? Stashes everywhere. Glitter stash. Now that we're done filming, the fun can begin. Beetle! Oh my god, there's beetles everywhere. We're gonna go sledding. Let's roll.
See me moving up, that ain't what they want. Only moving up, got no time to fall. We don't play no games, we be going hard. Ain't no blocking IGAZI, ain't no blocking love. We be killing everything, give it all. If you try and stop us, you gon' cause a war. We stay steady, grinding, got no time to pause. We never be stopping, cause we know our call.